Welcome to Life Science Law channel. Now we are starting one series for DMLT and MLT classes also. So this will be also useful for in our Arogya Vibhag exam and microbiology competitive exams also. So today's our topic is about study of compound microscope and its part. Okay, so here first of all introduction. So this is our microscope, compound microscope. A microscope is used to produce an enlarged and well defined image of objects too small to be observed with the naked eyes. So the degree of enlargement is called as magnification or the magnifying power of microscope, and it is expressed as the number of times the length breadth of the object is multiplied. The light microscope is operated by using white light of the sun and the light obtained from the tungsten lamp also. The laboratory microscope provides a magnification of into 14 means scanner, into 100 low power, into 400 is high power, and into 1000 is oil immersion also. So these are the magnification level can be asked in your competitive exam also. The total magnification is obtained by multiplying the magnification of objective with that of the eyepiece. So these are the components. In this picture you can see here what are the components we are seeing here. It consists of the foot, the limb, the revolving nose piece means objective changer also, the stage, the mechanical stage means the gives controlled movement to the object on the slides. The magnification system. So in this picture you can see how it look like. So it consists of lenses of the body, microscope which are mounted in two groups, one at each end of the tube. So first one is eyepiece. Here the microscopist applies on his eyes, and second one is objective. These are just above the preparation means object under examination. So about eyepiece. It is made up of two lenses, upper eyes lens and lower field lenses. The magnifying power of eyepiece is marked on it, and magnification of the image produced is shown below. So here magnifying power and magnification. So in magnifying power we can see into 4, into 6 and into 100. So for into 4 it is 4 times, for 6 magnification is 6 times, and for 100 magnification is 10 times. Then the objectives. In objectives the magnifying power of each objective is shown by a figure engraved on the sleeves of the lens as follow. Magnifying power and magnification here also we can see. So for magnifying power into 10, into 40 and into 100. For into 10 magnification is 10 times, for 40 it is 40 times, and for 100 it is 100 times. The third objective is called as oil immersion. It is maker with the red ring. It must be used with oil immersion only. Then numerical aperture. So greater numerical aperture, greater resolving power. It is also engraved on the sleeves and next to the magnification. Like example, NA means a numerical aperture and objective. So for numerical aperture 0.30, 0.63 and 1.30. So here for 0.30 objective is into 10, for 63 objection is into 14, and for 1.30 objective is into 100. Then resolving power. So here the maximum resolving power of good medical laboratory is about 0.25 micrometer. Okay, so then the greater resolving power of the objective and clearer the image also. Later the illumination system, the source of light. There are two type of source of light, like daylight and electric light. So in daylight this is daylight microscope and this is standard light microscope. So somehow this type of process is for daylight microscope. So the microscope should not be placed in the direct sunlight, it should be kept near the window. Light is adjusted by concave mirror and by the diaphragm. Then electric light, it is provided by a lamp built into the microscope beneath the stage. An external lamp can also be used. Then the mirror. In mirror we can see here, this mirror is using for compound microscope. So the mirror reflect rays from the light source of object. One side has a concave surface and the other having plane surface mirror. In absence of condenser, the concave surface of the mirror should be used in concave surface form, a low power mirror condenser. Okay, so in the presence of condenser, the plane surface should be used. Then the condenser. So in condenser, it is situated between the mirror and the stage. For maximum illumination it is raised and for the minimum illumination it is lowered. The function of condenser is to bring the ray of light to common focus on the object examined. Then the diaphragm, so it is within the condenser only and it is used to reduce or increase the amount of light by reducing or increasing the angle, and therefore also the amount of light passes into the condenser also. So here filter. So a filter roll is in some microscope these are fitted below the condenser and these can be left in place or removed according to the type of object preparation being examined. The adjustment system. So in adjustment system, this system is comprised of the first one is for a coarse adjustment screw. So it is used to achieve an approximate focus. The fine adjustment screw is used for to bring the object into perfect focus. It moves the objective very slowly. Then third one is the condenser adjustment screw. So this is to adjust the condenser only. Then condenser centering screw. So this is useful for, there are about 3 screws so which are used to center the condenser exactly in relation to objective. The iris diaphragm lever. So this is a small lever fixed on condenser. It is used to close or open the diaphragm. So sixth one is mechanical stage control. Mechanical stage is controlled by 2 screw. On screw is means to move the backward and forward, and the second is means to move left or right. So this is all about compound microscope and their parts. So in next lecture we will discuss about how many types of instruments we have to use in our microbiology department also. So this is for today's class. Thank you.